Hey guys, it's Jamie here, my indicator, the binary destroyer. Today is Tuesday the 23rd of January and I want to do some live trading for you. Now the topic for this week in the VIP group is Forex. Everybody's talking about Forex, mainly because our new TAD is designed for Forex, but also a lot of guys have started to switch over from binary to Forex. So they want to see some kind of scalping strategy with the destroyer. We have loads of, we actually probably have more Forex traders in the binary destroyer family than we do binary traders. But I just wanted to do some live Forex trading with you now. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using ctrader to place my trades. You can see we actually have the binary destroyer on ctrader, but I'm going to be using the binary destroyer on MT4 and then taking the trades with ctrader. It's a nice signal there, looking at there. I just wanted to give you a quick update on our auto destroyer. It's been absolutely crazy the past week. Everybody's been asking to test it. We currently have 10 people testing it, and they have seen literally mind-blowing results. It's been absolutely incredible. I'm currently running a £500 demo account on free currency pairs, and you can actually track that account on MYFXBOOK here. Everything's all linked up, and you're welcome to track it if you want. I will post the link for MYFXBOOK in the comments of this video. But you can see it's been Tuesday. I actually started this Sunday night and I'm already up 12%. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. My drawdown is 5.8%, and you can see where's my trades. I was on a 40-0 winning streak. There's 40 wins, 0 losses. It's been absolutely incredible. I mean, look here, I've just today the auto destroyer has done 10% today, you know, and it's been incredible. You can actually see my account here. We had a couple of losses here, but pretty much 3 pages of just greens. It's been absolutely fantastic. There's a few other guys in the testing group that have seen in excess of 30 to 40% gains within 1 week. So it's been absolutely incredible. But you can see here, I don't know where, yeah, you can see I started this on the 21st, which was Sunday night. Yeah, it was, and up to today now you can see absolutely, you know, it's just mind-blowing. 10% today, and I'm only running a 5.8% drawdown. You can actually see my drawdown here because I have this permanently running here. You can see how it's placing trades. Try and find you some trades it took. I ain't got any trades on Euro JPY. No, all my trades on USD JPY. But you can see here, if you look at my drawdown, I don't have a drawdown actually. I am up 1.6. I'm up £1.69. Okay, which is absolutely incredible. Yeah, so you can see that like most EAs, okay, will run a large drawdown, even though, see, this is the trick. A lot of people say, oh yeah, look, you know, mine's made 20% this week or 20% this month, but they run probably a 30-40% drawdown of their account. You know, it's ridiculous. This here, I'm not running any drawdown. I'm actually 82p in profit. So, you know, you can see there, we're not hiding anything. So you can see, you know, I will show you this. I will post the link to this in the comments below so you can actually track it. We're hoping for a release date in February, but this is going to be part of our learning program. Okay, this is all to do with learning Forex. Okay, it's not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. We found in the binary destroyer family that a lot of traders struggle with risk management, money management. You know, it's been said that 90% of trading is mindset, you know, money management, risk, and then actually 10% strategy. So even though the auto destroyer will give you your strategy, okay, it becomes part of the binary destroyer learning. So we'll teach you, you know, how to money management, how to, you know, learn the charts. Okay, so it's part of our learning program, which will be exclusive to the VIP members only, because obviously that's what you buy when you join us. You know, you buy that learning program, and this is a service which we offer as well. It is a paid monthly service, but it's there if any VIP member wants to use it. So yeah, you can see there, nice 10% gain. So yeah, let's get some Forex trades done. I'm just gonna actually forget that, I don't need that, let's get rid of that. So let's go over, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna load up my charts, come back, and we can start doing some trades. Hey guys, I'm going to get into a quick trade on Euro JPY. Okay, let me find on here Euro JPY, found it. So this is just demo at the minute. I'm just going to stick a couple of trades on. Everything's already preset for me on ctrader. I've already preset it. I think I've set it at 3 pips take profit. I'm going to change that actually to 5 pips take profit. So 5 pip take profit, 8 pip stop loss. So you can see I've got my trades here, and I love trading on ctrader. I really do. It's really quick and simple, and it actually gives you, when you zoom in here, let me just get rid of this for a minute, and you can see what's good about ctrader is you can see here automatically presets. So there's my stop loss up there, there's my take profit down there, and you can see this, I literally need that gap there and I'm in the profit. So yeah, let me just load that back up here. I'll tell you exactly why I took this trade. It is a risky trade, but I like this support area here. Okay, I see a nice support area there. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight that. Rectangle, edit it. I'm just going to change that to like a light blue. Let's go for there. Okay, not the best, but you can see why I took this trade. Okay, beautiful, nice support and resistance area at this zone. To make a support and resistance area valid, it has to bounce off that area a number of times. 1, 2, 3 times, okay, would to me make it a nice valid signal. So I can see here we had a nice bit of bounce here, and then it actually fell down, came back up, retouched that area. If we can see here, and we go along, we had a number of rejections from that zone there. 1 minute, I'm just gonna, hi guys, sorry about that, my girlfriend just turned up. So yeah, you can see here, well, let me just go back. We had a nice support area, rejection, another rejection there, a rejection there again, you could count there, and now we're at another rejection here. Now what made this good for me is the fact it rejected from that zone. We had a signal arrow which was there, and then we had a pullback, and then we got another signal arrow down. So for me, you know, that's a good entry for a trade. You know, you can see a nice resistance area, price rejected from it, pulled back, and now it's rejected off it again. I've actually got another trade on USD CAD. Where's my USD CAD? I'm going to take a trade on USD CAD. Again, I'm going to sell again. So you can see I've took another few more trades on USD CAD. I'll tell you why I like this trade. Again, another support area here. Okay, you could carry this on all the way down here. Actually, let me just carry it on. There we go. So we can see from this support area here, we had a small rejection there. We had a rejection there actually. So that would be 1, 2. Okay. We had another rejection there. So it's 3. Another rejection there. 4. Rejection there. 5. Rejection there. 6. We had a bit of a rejection there, but it broke it. Rejection there. 7. And now we are rejecting from that area again. What also makes this a good trade for me is, look, we're in a downtrend. The price has broke that support area, retested it, and now we have a signal arrow from rejection. So it's actually kind of, if you see, we broke up from this support area, resistance area, we bounced off it, we bounced off it again, we broke that support zone, came back up, and now we have retouched it there. Okay, beautiful signal arrow down. Okay, and also what confirms this trade is, look, we are going down, so we are now going with the trend. Now what I was going to say, yeah, so what I've done is I've actually set my take profit to 5 pips, okay, which isn't a lot. I don't need to get a large amount of, you know, pips in this market. All I need is a quick 5 pips in and out. And my first trade looks like it's going to get stopped out. Euro JPY. Let me have a look at Euro JPY. Okay, price is rising. I think we might come back up for another retouch off this area here. I think if that price breaks kills our stop loss, I think the price might come back up to this area here, come back up, and it might bounce off that area again. So we'll see what happens. Our USD CAD trade is nicely going to the money now. You'll see them all go to green. This is like watching paint dry when you trade. But we can see from our signal arrow now, we are rejecting. It's actually a nice trade. I like this. This is a good trade because we've had a break and retouch, and for me, that's like an extra confirmation when you have a break of a support area and then a retouch, because to me it tells me that support area, which is now resistance, is still valid. And we can see we've got some nice, and the price is dropping. We can see here now But you can see here, okay, even though I've took multiple of trades, I am in theory stacking my trades. I only need to get 5 pips per trade. That's all I need to get is 5 pips. My Euro JPY is currently 5 pips out of profit. And look, let's drop nicely now. It is rising still. What's the 15 minutes saying? See, there's rejection. Look at the 15-minute time frame as well. Look at the 15-minute. Look, we've got this rejection area here. Look, can you see that? Rejection, hovered around there. This is also another break and retest. Can you see that? Support, no, it's resistance, resistance, broke resistance, came back down, support, went back up, broke that support area, come all the way down here, and now it's bounced off that resistance area again. So support becomes resistance. But I think looking at it now, I think it's going to come back up to that area here. But only time will tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes and hopefully these can either come in or they don't. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. So as you can see, my Euro JPY hit my take profit, but my USD CAD trade is all nicely in the money. Now, just for demo purposes, this is demo. I'm not really using any kind of money management strategy. It's just me simply trading Forex with the binary destroyer, just taking a couple of trades. So you know, don't worry about, yes, you know, I am taking a multiple of trades, and yes, you know, my money management is not there. I know that, but I just wanted to do some live trading with Forex just to show you. But we can see now that our Euro JPY trade has come back up to that area here. So what does that mean? That means now I might have another sell opportunity. Okay, if this price here starts rejecting from that zone again, let me flick over back over to the 5 minutes and we can see that zone better there. But we can see you know, that we've got a nice support area there, but we can see we're coming back up to that zone. So it might be another opportunity to get into a sell trade. So we will now see what happens when that price rejects from that zone. There's not really any good setups here. Look at USD. Look, you can see here, look, the binary, our auto destroyer has got a couple of sell. I don't want to do that. What have I done? I'm automatically adjusting my stop losses. But yeah, you can see the auto destroyer has already placed some trades at this support area here. You know, you can see a nice support area there. We have. Oh, you can even go back even further. Let me zoom out. We can see a nice support area there all the way. Let me draw that again. You know, we had rejection, 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 and then now we are also at that same zone rejecting. What I also like about this is we're making higher lows, lower highs. You can see that rejection, pulled back up, and then we made a lower high, and now we're hopefully going to drop there. I'm not going to get into a trade with that, so I'm going to delete that one. What's our USD CAD? USD CAD is we're currently at 3.7 pips. If this hits 5 pips, we are good. You know, that would be it'd be 1-1 basically, let's say. Now we're at 4.2. This is dropping hard nicely. Here we go. Come on, 0.5 pips left. Point 4.6. Come on, 4.8. Here we go. This is just about to hit 5 pip take profit. Now it looks like it's slowing down. 4.8 again. All I need is 2 more. Oh, we're rejecting. I'll leave these running actually. So Euro GPY, what can I see now? We are rejecting again from that zone. Can you see that little doji there? If this next candle is a red one and it's a red engulfing candle, I'm getting into another trade. This could take a while because it's a 5-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Right, literally those trades now on USD CAD just closed, so you can see my history now. You can see that those trades came in profit. So it's kind of a mixture really. Forget about the amount of trades I've took. This I'm just showing you how I trade binary destroyer on Forex. But now what I'd like to do is, now you can see how it's dropping nicely now. Can you see that there? It's dropped nicely. But like I said, I only need to get 5 pips. So Euro JPY, what's that saying now? Rejection. We are rejecting from that zone. Okay, so this is another sell opportunity coming. USD Chef, let me just delete that. Don't like that, so let's delete that. USD CAD, again you can see there, nice signal, nice win. AUD USD, don't like that. And USD JPY, again I don't like that. So we are left with Euro JPY again. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to, let me get rid of that. Euro JPY, where's Euro JPY? There we go. So here's my engulfing candle. Should we get into a trade? I'm actually, just for jokes, okay, I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and I'm going to stack some more trades, okay, and I'm going to try and get back those losing trades if this is an engulfing candle. The RSI is not oversold just yet, okay, so it kind of tells me, okay, you know, that the price could carry on going back up here, okay. But here's a little trick with scalping. You get a red engulfing candle. If the next red engulfing candle, if the next candle literally starts dropping, that's when you get into a trade. Let me give you an example. You see how we got a red engulfing candle here, then look at the next candle, literally just dropped back down. So for me, that there is a double confirmation. Okay, we are getting an engulfing candle now. Now the thing about this, look at it on the look. Okay, this is a top tip. Look at this as well. Look at Euro JPY on the 1 minute time frame. look at the Euro JPY on the 1 minute time frame on ctrader. It's in that sell zone. So this is good actually. This is very good. I didn't know this. I could have this side by side like this. I could have my MT4 on 5 minutes, and I can have my ctrader on 1 minute. But look at that. You can see on the 1 minute chart that it's in that sell zone, and I can see on the 5 minute chart it's at a resistance area. So let's get into a trade. I'm just going to wait. Well, I'm getting in now actually. Well, I'm in. And what's good about this, okay, is like I said before on ctrader, it already presets my stop loss and take profit. So you can see them now, these trades are already starting to dip into the profit. You can see there now they're all starting to go green. Yeah, there's my red engulfing candle. There is the next candle going red. Okay, that's good. That's telling me the price is going to drop. But the question is with Forex, how much is it going to drop by? Okay, is it going to drop to here? Is it going to drop to here? Is it going to drop all the way down here? You don't know. Okay, but I'm only getting 5 pips. That's all that matters to me. 5 pips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes and hopefully those trades hit take profit. Hey guys, I'm back, and you can see that the price is now already dropping. I've got my ctrader next to me and we're already 1.3 pips in profit. So I'm just going to plot where my take profit is. My take profit is 135, and I'm going to write this down. 135.588. So that is where my take profit is. So I'm actually going to draw a line and horizontal line, properties, parameters, 135.588. So you can see where my take profit is on MT4. It's just, and you can see the price is dropping hard. So I haven't got far for it to hit take profit. You can see now I'm already 3 pips in, 3.1 pips in profit. So you can see it's dropping rapidly now. It's dropping hard. But look at this. Look at our EMA. You see how it's rejecting now off the EMA. I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Hey guys, I'm back, and you can see, okay, the price. Let me put this here. Can you see how the price tried to push up and then we had a massive rejection? So this price here is going down. And you can see I'm currently at 3 pips. I only need 2 more pips to go. Here we go. I need 1.5 pips. It's dropping still. I only need really 1 pip and I'm in profit. And this might be one of them really annoying trades, you know, where you take profit and it just like kisses you take profit. This should drop. I thought about being cheeky here, okay, and if you look at my history, okay, I'm actually minus £51 in the negative, but my open positions are I'm £47. So I could actually close this early and still be in profit. Nothing's happening in a minute, it's just sitting there and hovering. I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back again. Right, sorry about that, I literally rushed. It's just about to hit my take profit now. 4.6. Come on, here we go. Gone. There we go. Nice. So it's hit my take profit. You can see here some nice wins here. Some nice wins. Realistically, £43 in profit. Now this doesn't matter, it is just purely for demo purposes, but I just wanted to show, you know, how I trade, you know, the binary destroyer on ctrader and with the binary destroyer. Now I will be, you see how the price is pushed back up now. That's why it's important to, when you're scalping the market, don't get greedy. Just aim for 5 pips, 3 pips, 6, 7 pips, whatever. Don't try and capture 50 pips off the 5-minute time frame. Doesn't happen. So yeah, I'm going to leave it with that. Obviously tomorrow is training Wednesday in the VIP group. We're talking about Forex, so I will go a bit more in depth of what I've just done now for you guys. So yeah, if you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.